Buildings growing high where there once were trees, but the birds still fly higher in the breeze. And they say that sun's gotta break, but I think it will be me. Peppermint tea and the smell of work I've found, and the sky goes grey and pink and never. The rain comes tumbling down and it cleans the streets so easily. And it's hard to believe it's real, 'cause the world seems so damn cruel to me. I stumble in the light to find my way, and when the night comes I'm impatient for the day. And there's nothing else I can do but spread the word so hopelessly. And if I could break those cages, I'd smash those chains, then I'll be free. And it's hard to believe that the answers are out there, and it's hard to believe that we think life's unfair, and it's hard to believe that you're too busy and you're just too damn cool to care. And you're wrapped up in the image of your golden self, with your faceless dreams like there's no one else. And you're walking down the street like you own it all, like the sounds of machines where you're chosen call to not give a fuck about anything at all. Anything at all. Buildings growing high where there once were trees, but the birds still fly high